Hello students, hope you all will be fine. Today we will be continuing the chapter of adjectives and degrees of comparison. We studied adjectives also. What is adjective? What are its kinds? Then in the next video we studied about the degrees of comparison. What are the degrees of comparison? Positive, comparative and superlative. They are used to compare. If two things are compared, we use comparative degree. If more than two things are compared, we use superlative degree. What are their rules? We also studied there in the previous video. But we had said that we will be studying. We concluded that we will be studying about the correct uses of adjectives. Where we have to use some, where we have to use few, where we have to use little, a little, the little, many, much, late, later, latest, old, elder, eldest. So many things we had to study. So some examples are there, because in books so many rules are given. If you want to study the rules, you can open the book and you can see the rules. But rules is not important here. We have to get the concept. So that is why I have taken some examples, and with the help of these examples, we will be clarifying the concept of rules that is given in the books also. So first of all, some sentences are there. We will be studying. There is some or much milk in the jug. Now you see here it is the adjective, no, some or much, because it is describing about milk. But some and much are used before uncountable noun. Milk is uncountable noun. We cannot count the milk. There is much milk or there is some milk in the jug. We cannot use there is some pencils in the pencil box. There are some pencils in the pencil box. Some can be used with countable also, but countable also and uncountable also. But we cannot use there is much pencils in the pencil box. So here some and much, they are used as a where there is a uncountable noun, isn't it? Now second one, he lived here for many months. You see here months is noun and many is the word which is describing about months. That is why many is a adjective. But many, it is always used with a countable noun. We cannot use there is many milk in the jug. Many is never used with uncountable noun, but many is used with countable noun. We can use few. Few is also used with a countable noun. Suppose that if I say there are few boys in the class, that is countable noun. We cannot say there is few water in the glass. That is wrong. So few is also used with the countable noun. And much and some, it is generally used with a uncountable noun. Some can be used with both. Now countable also and uncountable also. There are some students or something like that. See, you see, she has not bought any oranges. She has not bought any oranges. Now you see here, oranges is the noun and any is describing about oranges. That is why any is the adjective. Now any is also used for countable noun. It is not used for uncountable noun. We cannot say there is she has not bought any oil. No, oil is uncountable noun. We cannot say she has not bought any sugar. With uncountable noun we do not use any. We use any always with countable noun. Oranges can be counted. That is why any has been put here. But at the same time we have to ensure that any also is used when there is a negative answer we expect. Suppose that here you see she has not bought any oranges. It's a negative type of sentence. We cannot say she has bought any oranges. No. Where there is a negative sense and countable noun, in negative sense and countable noun, there we use any. She has not done any question. Any. Where there is a negative sense and the noun is countable, there we use any. Then fourth, there is, now you see little, a little and the little. Three adjectives are there. You see here little, a little and the little. There is a difference between little, a little and the little. You don't get confused. While we talk to one another in our daily conversation, we use a little in place of little, the little in place of little. So we have to know that where we have to use little, where we have to use a little, where we have to use the little. Little is used where there is the amount of the thing is very much, very less, very less, means almost none. It is there, but we can say that it is near about zero, very less. There we use little. A little is used where the amount is less, but although there is some amount is there. It is not very much, but some amount is there. Means it is better than little. Something is there, a little. And the little means the little also is a little thing, but whole. Suppose that half glass of water is there, and we use the whole of the half glass of water. Little thing, but whole of the thing, all the thing. That is where we use the little. Let us see the example. There is little milk in the pan. There is little milk in the pan. Now you see, little milk means in the pan there is a milk, but it is almost very less. We can say that no milk is there. Although it is there, but it is near about zero. So where there is near about zero, we use little. He made the tea with a little milk. He made the tea means he prepared the tea with a little milk. Means the milk was there, but a little. Some milk was there. Very little milk was there, but it was somehow he managed to make the milk. There we use a little. And the little means थोड़ा ही लेकिन सब. The little milk available was used. थोड़ा ही milk जितना था available था, that was used. The little milk available was used. Means the whole of the milk was used. Although it was little, but it was the whole of the milk was used. That is why I have written the little milk available was used. So this is the basic difference between little, a little and the little. In the same way, few, a few and the few. Few means almost none, a few means some, at least some, and the few means some but whole. And little, a little, the little, this is used with uncountable noun. In the same way, few, a few and the few, it is used with countable noun. Few, a few and the few cannot be used with the uncountable noun, because it can be counted. Few boys can be counted. That is why we have used the few. Few boys attended the class. Now you see here, few means almost none. Suppose that one boy attended the class. That means almost none. Few boys attended the class means almost none. Some means one boy is there, means it means almost none. A few means at least some students, 4-5 students, we can say that there are there. A few boys were seen in the class. So a few means it is better than few, and the few is also few but whole. Suppose that if I say the few boys who come to class are really sincere, means although some boys are coming, few boys are coming, but the few means whole of the boys, those who are coming, are really sincere. So this is the basic difference between few, a few and the few. The other thing is that if we say older and elder and older, what is difference between older and elder? Where there is a very close relation, there we use elder. Where there is not a close relation, we use older. Suppose that if I say my friend is older to me, or that boy is older to me, means there is not a close relation between that boy and you. But if I say my brother is elder to me, so here we will not use my brother is older to me, because brother and I are closely related to one another. So where there is a close relation, we use elder and eldest. Where there is not a close relation, we use older and oldest. So that's all for today. If there is any problem, we can discuss on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.